Great work comes from genuine passion. When you truly love what you do, excellence follows naturally. Hi, my name is Vijeta and I'm currently working at a capacity of team lead into the talent acquisition space. I've been associated with Collabra for more than 3+ years now. So when you join any organization, your initial thoughts generally evolve around how is the culture going to be of an organization, what are the values, whether the opportunities are going to be enough for you, and how are you going to align your professional and personal growth with them, right? So even I had the same thoughts. Before joining Collabra, I connected with a lot of people on LinkedIn to ensure whether I'm taking the right decision or not. In all these years, one of the proudest moments for me was to hit the Blaze stage, receive the prestigious award from the leadership team themselves, and also being a part of the elite club, which is the President's Club. It was an immense pride moment for me. I have been fortunate enough to have been blessed with people like collaborants here who have always made me feel so comfortable, because of which I was able to pick up things quite well.
Vijeta is not just a co-worker to me, she's a very good friend of mine and the best mentor that I could have ever asked for. So she always pushes me to give my personal best and guide me into the right direction. So she is that kind of a person who makes my day at Collabra even better.
In my journey with Collabra, a lot of people have played a significant role. I would like to thank my entire CTA team for always being there for me, and none other than Rajeshwari for always supporting me, having my back, no matter what. She had always been there for me. Earlier, I used to be very skeptical about things like whether I should put this across in front of the leaders or not, but she always motivated me to be vocal. All this while, what has kept me going at Collabra is, of course, the culture. And along with that, it's the learning opportunities and being appreciated at the right time is something that has really motivated me. To all the new joinees and people who are looking forward to join us, my piece of advice for them would be prioritize your well-being. Be resilient. Setbacks, challenges would be a part of your corporate journey, but the way you bounce back plays a very important role. Balance, patience, and ambitious. While it's important to be ambitious, but at the same time, you have to be patient enough to achieve that success. Be proactive. At the end, what matters is enjoy your journey and make the most of it.